Hello class, today we will be learning about art. However, I'm also your genetics teacher. So, what does art have to do with genetics? Epistasis. Epistasis, for those of you that do not know, is whenever you mix more than one kind of genetic type and you equal the same phenotype. How we're going to do this is by mixing colors.
Oh, Professor Leslie, is that like the photo you provided to all of us?
Yes, so as you can see from Quora.com, that there are 3 different ways to make the same exact color brown. The same thing happens with genetics. I will explain to you duplicate recessive epistasis as an example of this. So in duplicate recessive epistasis, all homozygous recessive pairs are a result of a lack of enzymes that would otherwise cause the phenotype to appear. For example, you have a yellow, whatever, it's just a color as an example before we get to brown. So if you have a big A and any other letter, you get past enzyme 1 to enzyme 2. And if you have a big B and any other letter, you get to the color brown. However, if you have 2 little A's, you don't get enzyme 1. And even if you have 1 big A, if you have 2 little B's, you don't get enzyme 2. So all of these that have little A's or little B's are going to be the same color and will not get to brown. So when you cross big A, big B, little b by itself, 9 will have the other color. However, the other 7 will all lack the enzyme. Same thing goes for if you cross big A, 2 big B's, and 2 little A's, 1 big B, little b. You'll have half, so 8, will lack the enzyme, and they're all going to look the same. Regardless of their genetic makeup, none of them will reach brown. That class is epistasis.
Thanks, Teach.